In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money with Apple Pay on iPhone. We'll walk through how to request a payment in Messages and have it land in your Apple Cash balance in just a few taps. First, grab your iPhone and open Settings. Scroll until you see Wallet and Apple Pay and tap it. Here, make sure Apple Cash is turned on and fully set up. If you're opening Apple Cash for the first time, your iPhone may guide you through a quick setup or identity check. Just follow the prompts so your account is ready to receive money. When Apple Cash is enabled, you'll see the Apple Cash card in your wallet and you're good to go. Now open Messages and choose the conversation with the person you want to request money from. You can also start a new message if you haven't chatted with them before. Make sure you're texting the correct contact since your request will appear right in their Messages thread. Look just to the left or right of the message field and tap the plus button. From the app tray that appears, select Apple Cash. This pulls up the Apple Cash request and payment panel directly inside your conversation. Type in the exact amount you want to receive. Take a second to double check the number. Small typos can lead to awkward follow-ups. When the amount looks right, tap Request. You can add a short note if it helps explain what the payment is for, like splitting dinner or covering event tickets. Then send the message as you normally would. Your contact will immediately see a prompt to send the money with Apple Pay. They can confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or their passcode, and you don't need to do anything else on your end. If they have questions, they'll be able to see your note and the amount right in the thread. As soon as they approve and pay, the funds move straight into your Apple Cash balance. To view it, open the Wallet app and tap your Apple Cash card. The updated balance will be at the top along with a record of the transaction. Those funds are available to use with Apple Pay wherever it's accepted, or you can keep them in Apple Cash for the next time you need them. And that's it. Quick, secure, and built right into Messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.